Bhaktamar Stotra, Theology of Lord Adinatha, verse number 21. It's vilifying come praising. Manyevaram hariharadaya eva drista rasteshu yeshu hridayam tvaitoshmeti kim vikchitene bhavata bhuviyene nanyah kaschinmano harati nath bhavantarepi. Time to discuss prose order of verse number 21. First line contains the words Manye Varam Hari Haradaya Eva Drista. Here, Manye, that means I believe. Varam are the best. Who? Worldly gods, Harihar, etc. Ev, that means same or can say only. Drasta, have seen. Next line contains the words Drasteshu Yeshu Hridayam Tvai Tosham and Eti. Here Drasteshu, that means even after seeing. Even after seeing. Yeshu Hridayam, Yeshu, that means whom. Hridayam, its heart. Tvai, in you. Tosham, that means satisfaction, to satisfaction. Eti, attains to. Next line. Kim vikchitena, Kim vikchitena bhavata bhuvi yena na anyah. Here Kim means what? Vikchitena bhavata, joint meaning of both is looking you. Bhuvi yena, bhuvi, and that means on earth. Bhuvi, it's on earth. Yena, so that. Na anyah, that means no, or can say can't. Here anya means other. And the last line of verse number 21 contains the words Kaschit Manaha Harati Nath Bhavant Re Api. Here Kaschit means any, Manaha, to my mind, Harati, captivate. Here we just discussed in third line about na anya, na harati, that means can't, captivate. Nath, it's addressing, O God. Bhavantare, in future birth, or can say future life spends. Api, even. Now look at the complete meaning of verse number 21, taking the help of chart. Here, addressing my Nath, O Lord, Manye, I believe, Ev, Same, Haram. Now, Hari, Haradaya, it's not Haram, it's Varam. I believe, same as the best. Now what? Hari, Haradaya, Drashta. I saw the gods Harihar and etc. Drasteshu, Yeshu, Hridayam, Toshmeti. Here it means looking at you, I or my heart attains to the stage of satisfaction. Kim Vikshitena Bhavata. Kim Vikshitena Bhavata, that means what looking you. Bhuviyen Namya, other on this earth, Kaschin Mano Harati Bhavant Vrepi. That means any other mind can't captivate even in future birth my mind. Now look at the complete meaning of this verse number 21. Here talking of satisfaction, one side vilification, condemnation, and on other side praising. Talking of it became better that I saw Harihar and other gods just because after looking you my heart became satisfied. If I didn't look them, so I will unable to look them after looking at you, so I did the better job. Just because the form you have, I don't find any in this on this earth, and no one can satisfy my mind even in future births. Now listen again the complete meaning. O God, I consider it better that I have seen Harihar and other gods prior to your viewing. It is so because my heart feels satisfaction looking you. What good is it to look at you first? After seeing you, there is no other God to captivate my heart on the earth, even in next births. Look at the text of verse number 21. This way, time to show red signal.